Hey everyone, welcome back to Crazy Tech Tricks. In this video, I will show you how to install Python on Windows 11 in just a few easy steps. So let's get started. So firstly, open your browser and go to the official Python website. Then simply here you will see that it is official website. Click on download Python. Here you will see download Python. Now you will see it will be Python manager will be downloaded. It's approx 2 to 3 minutes to complete this download. It's depending on your network speed. You can simply download this or get the standalone installer Python 3.140.5. It's almost be completed. Open the download setup file. Here you will see important, check the box add Python to path. This, then click on install now. It will wait for the installation to finish. It's approx 1 to 2 seconds to complete this. Here you will see it's almost completed. Wait for few more seconds to complete this installation. Once it's complete, we will verify Python installation. It's completed. Here you will see setup was successful. Click on close. Minimize this screen. Now open CMD command prompt. Open it. Now here you will type Python space version and enter. Here you will see Python 3.14.5 version will be downloaded successfully. It means Python is installed successfully. Now if you use Python from your command prompt, you can simply type Python then enter. Now it's Python will be started. Now you can anything type here, like I want to print hello world. Simply write print, then write hello world, semicolon, bracket close and enter. Here you will see we will write again, enter. Here you will see hello world. If you see hello world, Python is working correctly. And that's it. You have successfully installed Python on Windows 11. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.